Hello tech enthusiasts, it's Austin here and welcome back to Windows Fixer. In today's tutorial, we are diving into the realm of web browsing and Google Chrome. If you have ever felt like your browsing experience is a bit sluggish, or if your computer memory and energy seems to disappear faster, then you are in for a treat. We are going to explore a brand new feature in Google Chrome that promises to transform your browsing world, making it faster, more memory efficient, and even kinder to your device's battery life. Stick around and we uncover the secret to boosting Chrome performance to the max. Let's dive in. Once you launch the Chrome, just click on the three dots on the top of the corner, on the top of the right corner, and then scroll down your mouse until you'll get the option More Tools. In More Tools section, just find the Performance and click on it. Now here is the memory saver, just enable it. Now how actually it's work, you can read here. When on, Chrome free up memory from inactive tabs. This give active tabs and other apps more computer sources and keep Chrome faster. Your inactive tabs automatically become active again when you go back to them. So it's just like this. Now this is inactive. In a while, when you click on it, it will again recharge, like turbo recharge. Anyways, I hope you like this video. If you have any suggestion for upcoming videos, just let me know in the comment section, so your feedback will be appreciated. See you in the next video. Till then, just take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.